my name is Auber from San Antonio, Texas. Occupation is I'm an executive in a development company that I own, and my age is 62.
Thank you. How did you come to have a problem with that shoulder?
It was a mystery in some ways because I had this issue with my tibial tendon on my right foot and had all this inflammation going on. We're searching high and low to figure out all those issues, and then about November my shoulder started acting up, and went to my shoulder ortho that had surgery on my right shoulder, but the MRI was not bad at all. It was just inflammation. So it started freezing up, cortisone, 3 shots in a month, which is horrible. And so they have no solutions, none, to deal with it. And it just started freezing. So I went on my continued search for solutions. And the first one was I was thinking of a PRP shot in the shoulder, and I knew one ortho group in San Antonio that was big on them for knees and things like that, but said, no, it won't work on the shoulder, but we can put it in a sling and let it freeze for you. It'll speed it up. So that wasn't a solution. And then I found you guys after that and rapidly connected.
How did you find us?
Just on the web.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Did you try any treatments, therapy?
I was doing PT 4 days a week. What else was I doing? I mean, I was doing cryo. I was doing infrared sauna. I was doing, you name it, I was doing it. I have three chiropractors, 2 shoulder orthos, 4 podiatrists, a knee guy, but most of them are orthopedics, and they just deal with their little, small sphere and not dealing with, the holistic picture.
If we change tact a little bit, when you had the procedure yesterday, did you feel any pain during the procedure?
0.
Right. Great.
0.
Okay. And how would you describe the experience from when you first made contact with the World Frozen Shoulder Clinic to now?
I would say it's extremely positive. I was, everybody thought I was crazy because how can they be the only one, right, in Toronto? But having gone through with my doctor, who's very forward-thinking on procedures, felt, extremely comfortable. There's just too much evidence that something's going on here, right? So I was very optimistic, but I can say that my expectations were exceeded. I knew it was going to work.
Yes.
I just knew it was. You guys, it just was going to work, but I had no idea it was going to be that smooth. Getting up at the middle of the night, I haven't slept for 2 hours straight in weeks because of the pain.
We can't even sleep together.
So the pain is gone. I get up every hour last night. It was like, so what? I was excited to get up, actually. I mean, to have the range of motion, it's really, it's priceless. It's 1 year to 3 years for this to resolve. This is 4 months, and this is 4 months, and how much atrophy I've had on this delt in 4 months is ridiculous.
Yeah.
So, and I know it's going to come back, boom, so fast. I mean, it already is. Just watching last night from hour by hour, watching the strength come back, it was pretty remarkable.
It's fantastic.
Yeah.
So if someone met you in the street or in a boardroom with you and they said they had a frozen shoulder and they were trying to figure out what they were going to do, what would you say to them?
It is the most bizarre thing to think about in 2022, that there's one place you can go. I've searched everywhere, and all these other doctors, what do they have to offer? A keyhole surgery to go in and scrape it out, a manipulation under anesthesia, just I mean, it just makes no logical sense that that's all you can have. So it's still, it's just remarkable,
Who would you tell them to come here?
It would be the only place to go. I mean, where else could you go? I mean, I made contact with you guys about a month ago. And, this was the first week available. We came on Wednesday. We're going back Friday, and it's fixed.